Introduced in the UK in 1982, after almost 40 years of evolution and over 3 million worldwide sales, our new generation Caddy is our best ever, setting the benchmark for short and long wheelbases and a range of drivetrains in its class. For those familiar with previous incarnations, you will find Caddy 5 has been reimagined from the ground up and comes fresh out of the box.
Visually, the switch to the MQB platform is evident from the increased wheelbase. It has a modern exterior, sleek design with a focus on functionality. And Caddy now comes with a number of new exterior options, including new LED headlights and tail lights. There's also a wide range of customised paint colours and finishes available.
Caddy now comes with the latest engine options. A choice of 3 2-litre turbo diesel engines and one 1.5-litre petrol option powers this workhorse, with a 7-speed DSG option for diesel and petrol. Not only that, Caddy 5 is the only van in its segment with 4Motion all-wheel drive. With advanced twin-dose AdBlue technology, Caddy is also RDE2 ready, way ahead of legislation, reducing CO2 compared to the previous generation. In fact, the technology goes further. Caddy has always had a reputation as an economically attractive van with high residual values, but improved fuel efficiency also means improved cost of ownership. Now built on our modular transverse matrix, MQB, a platform on which millions of other units are built, Caddy's reliability and durability have been further enhanced. It's the perfect platform for Caddy Cargo and its passenger variants. With McPherson front suspension and specific robust rear axle, it makes for a 100% commercial vehicle. The previous rear leaf springs have been replaced by coil spring construction, and with solid rear doors, there's no compromise. All in all, it makes for a premium look, feel and drive, with access to our latest safety technologies. And with Caddy's robust construction and materials, it remains ready for the toughest of jobs.
Caddy 5 is the smartest Caddy ever, with a range of new high-end technologies like keyless access, plus driver assistance systems that enhance safety and make driving easier than ever. Whilst 5 of the 19 driver assistance systems are completely new to the Caddy, all the others have been extensively updated and extended by various functions. New features include travel assist, enabling partially automated driving on level 2. In connection with travel assist, the redesigned standard multifunction steering wheel is equipped with capacitive sensors. Optional rear cross traffic alert for reversing out of parking spaces, monitors traffic behind the vehicle and gives the driver a warning and applies the brakes if there's a risk of a collision. Front assist system remains standard, whilst city emergency braking is intended to increase vehicle safety, reduce downtime, and lower insurance and repair costs.
Networked infotainment and digitalized control systems turn the Caddy into a smartphone on wheels, especially if you go all the way with the optional digital cockpit. There's our latest radio and navigation generation, with a touchscreen up to 10 inches in size, turned slightly towards the driver. And Caddy's infotainment can access even more mobile online services via a connectivity unit with an integrated eSIM. WeConnect, including optional anti-theft warning system, ensures you and your vehicle are always tuned in to the latest information. There are 2 trim levels for the passenger variant, Caddy and Life. Standard features include manual air conditioning, eCool, anti-theft alarm, body-coloured bumpers, LED reading lights for passengers, plus LED lights in the luggage compartment, and upgraded audio. And Life doesn't stop there. LED rear combination lights, a multifunction leather steering wheel, front and rear parking sensors, and 16-inch alloys are also added to the Life standard specification. And with space comes comfort. Now based on the Golf 8 platform, Caddy enjoys new levels of interior refinement, such as the touch control module for lighting and visibility. There's a range of seat upholsteries including double grid for Caddy and Trilog for Life. Ergonomic seats with improved four-way lumbar support make for a more relaxed drive, with various adjustments for the driver and passenger. And for a high-end premium feel, there's also the option of a large panoramic glass roof with a transparent area of 1 metre squared, extending over the first and second rows. You can even add power latching for the side sliding doors and rear tailgate. With increased space, there's plenty of room for everyone. The short wheelbase Caddy is equipped with a two-seater bench and a single seat in the second row, which is foldable, tippable and fully removable, turning your day-to-day runaround into a van ready for life's bigger jobs and hobbies. In addition, Maxi models come with 2 more single seats in the third row, which are lightweight and also removable. A truly versatile MPV. All rear outer seats feature an ISOFIX top tether, and of course, additional curtain airbags and a front centre airbag between the driver and the front passenger are standard to help keep the family safe. Safety is also at the heart of Caddy's redesign, with a host of state-of-the-art driver assistance systems. Lane assist is standard on the passenger variants and can help to stop your vehicle from drifting out of its lane, reducing the chance of an accident and can make longer journeys much safer. And emergency assist is available as an option on DSG models. When travel assist is activated, it detects if the driver has become inactive and keeps the vehicle in its lane, switching on the hazard warning lights and braking the vehicle to a stop if necessary. Caddy also sees an all-new driver interface. Caddy comes with composition audio radio as standard, featuring a 6.5-inch colour touch display, DAB+ digital radio, USB ports and Bluetooth hands-free. Standard on life is our composition colour radio, featuring an 8.25-inch colour touch display. Wireless charging is also available as an option, and in conjunction with an optional navigation system, which includes a 10-inch colour touch display, a fully digital cockpit can be added to create a unique Innovision experience. WeConnect is also available on the Caddy for the first time, accessing a wide variety of connected features such as online traffic, online anti-theft alarm, and vehicle driving data to your phone. Caddy is the most capable, the most comfortable, and now the smartest MPV in its class. And it continues to set new benchmarks. Caddy, for life unlimited.
Starting from £17,800 plus VAT, welcome to the most versatile and now most comfortable small van in the LCV market. Caddy Cargo, working with you. Caddy Cargo comes with comfort built in, with improved space and seat adjustment. Practical options include ergo comfort seats, wireless charging and an overhead storage compartment in the cabin. In fact, Caddy Cargo sets the standard for quality and everyday utility with 3 new trim levels, allowing customers to select a van that suits their needs and their budget. The entry trim, Commerce, features solid rear wing doors, an electric parking brake, cruise control and a composition audio radio with a 6.5-inch colour touch display, just to name a few highlights. The well-equipped Commerce Plus retains popular features such as body colour bumpers and rear parking sensors, but gains increased comfort thanks to power-adjustable lumbar support and a driver armrest, making a real statement, but importantly, and with aircon as standard, making the driver's day a more comfortable one. The range-topping Commerce Pro retains its visual appeal with body colour bumpers and new gloss black mirrors, topped off by brand new alloy wheels and LED tail lights. Other improvements include front and rear parking sensors to minimise bumps, and inside our class-leading new 10-inch Discover Media navigation system. The significantly improved new Caddies are now cleaner and more efficient. All manual transmissions are now 6-speed and all DSGs are 7-speed, helping to optimise efficiency and the driving experience. These improvements ensure that running costs are lowered and customers can be confident that they're reducing their carbon footprint. Our best-selling engine now achieves 57.6 mpg on a combined WLTP cycle, an improvement of 8 mpg. Caddy 5 is a more versatile load carrier than ever before. Firstly, the load area has increased in size. It's higher, wider, and importantly, the width between the wheel arches has increased by 60 millimetres. So for the first time, a Euro pallet can be loaded widthways. In addition, for short wheelbase versions, the load length has increased by 18 millimetres. And not only have the internal dimensions improved, so has access. The rear door aperture is now 50 millimetres wider. In the Maxi, there's also that larger sliding door, a full 139 millimetres wider than a Caddy. Although Caddy Maxi's load bay is slightly shorter than previous models, it can still accommodate a 2.15 metre length. When it comes to the rear doors, Caddy 5 includes unglazed steel rear wing doors as standard, enhancing security and bringing it into line with competitors. Customers can opt for glazed rear wing doors or a glazed tailgate, as you can see here. Furthermore, there are also glazed bulkhead options, an optional 230-volt inverter with a UK socket, plus an optional removable tow bar. Comfort is increased with armrests for both front seats and a heated windscreen. You can further tailor the entry-level commerce trim with our popular business pack, which includes air conditioning, parking sensors and an alarm. Built on the latest MQB platform, Caddy 5 has a new dynamic suspension, which makes for a smoother ride and handling. In Caddy Cargo, this has been optimised to cope with increased payload. The new robust rear axle with coil springs and panhard rod was designed in such a way that it offers notably increased agility in all load situations. It takes just 2.5 rather than the previous 3 turns of the steering wheel to go from lock to lock. This makes inner-city manoeuvring easier than ever before, and all new Caddy models are fitted with a range of tyres with optimised rolling resistance. With our new driver assistance systems, not only is Caddy Cargo the small van that does a whole lot more, it makes your safety its priority. Emergency call, or e-call, comes as standard, as does driver alert and city emergency braking. The standard fitment of this feature remains unique to Caddy in the small van segment. Plus, Front Assist has been upgraded to include pedestrian protection.
Welcome to the Carwstar channel. If you don't subscribe here on the channel and leave your like.